Hi there, it's Raina with LYLO Crafts, and today we are going to update this basket that I have out here for the summer, and we're going to turn it into fun but not spooky Halloween. Won't you join me? So let's take a closer look. And you can see I've got hydrangeas in here. I have these black and white ribbon roses, and I made those. Yes, so excited. I love those. I've got these DollarTree candy corns, a DollarTree giant spider where I put a double bow on her head. I'm kind of a cutesy Halloween. And I've got this beautiful glitter pumpkin here from the DollarTree. And as we move up, I've got a double bow as well. And I made one for my front door too. So the last one was my back porch, and this one is my front porch. If you are enjoying the content of this video, I would so appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and make one together. You'll be surprised at how fast it is. Step one is to remove all of the flowers and the bows. So you can see that I've emptied all the flowers. I want you to see that I have Easter eggs from inside of here because this was originally an Easter egg basket that I got, but the Easter eggs really faded. And so I used it to make this summer wreath. Now you want to make sure and save all these things because you will be able to use them again. What came with this basket are these things, which I'm just going to leave in there. You don't need any of these things as part of your design. So let's go to what you need. The first thing you're going to need are some flowers, and I decided to use these hydrangeas that I have had from Christmas probably for 7 years or so. I am going to use 5 of these, and then look at these awesome ribbon flowers. So I made 5 of these ribbon flowers to put in, and from the DollarTree you're gonna need 1 of these 3 candy corn picks. You're gonna need 1 of these glittery pumpkins. I love those pumpkins. And you're gonna need 1 big spider, and I put a double bow on her head. I think she is so cute. You are gonna need some ribbon, and I am choosing to use this Sam's Club ribbon. It has 50 yards, can you believe it? And it is 2.5 inches wide. You can pick any kind of ribbon that you would like. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is add one of the hydrangeas in. So I'm gonna start by putting it in the middle. I'm gonna add a second one. Next, we're going to take this awesome pumpkin from the DollarTree, and I'm going to use one of these little skewers. I got these from the DollarTree too. I'm putting the sharp end in so it'll go through the styrofoam. It's pretty thick. Now that we've got that placed in the left back corner and taller than the hydrangeas, what I'm going to do is place these ribbon roses. So I'm just going to try and fill in some of these holes. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.